Hello, I'm going to be teaching you guys about the max and min functions in Python. So we're going to be using these functions on a list. So we're going to name our list X, and within this list we're going to have some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so actually, yeah, we could do that. Alright, so I'm going to print, I'm going to use max, and then I'm put X in the parentheses right here. So what this does, this returns the largest value in X. So as you can see, it's 4. And then what I could do is I can also use that to determine the minimum. So min X. You see, I get 1. So that's pretty cool. Now, say X now is equal, has a list. And within this list, we have 1, 2.14, 2.123, 4, 5, and I don't know, 3, 2.2, right? Actually, let's get something big. 7 point, yeah, it's 27.8, whatever. All right, and say we do this, right? We do max X, we get 27.8. Okay, no problem, right? And if we do print min X, see, we get number 1, no problem. Now let's change up our list, right? Instead of having numbers, we're gonna enter a string. Okay, so now we're gonna print min X. You see, we get an error right here. So that from my understanding, what I'm getting from this is that the list must contain either strictly integers and floats, strictly integers or floats. If that makes sense, either the list is gonna have all integers in it, either it's gonna have all floats in it, or it's gonna have a mixture of integers and floats in order for min and max to work on a list. Now, this does work with strings. So say I have A, B, C, right? And then I want to get back the maximum element here, and this will return C. Okay. Likewise, if I had min X, I would get A. Okay. So if you have any questions, comments, consider leave them in the comment section and or leave me a message. Email me a message.